Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a wash day featuring beautiful textures hair care line to add intense moisture. So I'm starting off with my hair already shampooed. This is the second shampoo that I'm doing on camera. So each of these products are $3.99. I got them from Pax Cosmetics and you can always find them online as well. I'm starting off with the Tangle Taming Moisturizing Shampoo. It is made for mixed textures, curly, wavy, kinky, coily and frizzy. The shampoo is 355 milliliters. It smells of mango slash a tropical smell, and that's because it's enriched with aloe vera, coconut, olive, soy, argan oil, shea and mango butter. That's why it has that mango scent all throughout their products. That's the main theme, the main scent. So these products smell really nice. The smell is not too strong, it's not overbearing, and it does die down after you finish your wash day. The shampoo did a great job of cleansing my hair without leaving it stripped, because it is a moisturizing shampoo, so that's what I expected from the shampoo. And typically 2 to 3 washes can do the job, depending on how dirty your hair is. Now I'm going in with the Rapid Repair Deep Conditioner made with shea and argan oil. It has no sulfates or no parabens. It's 425 grams. It's designed to define and elongate curls, coils and waves. It controls frizz and it helps to boost the shine and versatility of your hairstyles. Now, to get the enriched performance of this product, on the tub it does say that you can add to the deep conditioner from the Beautiful Textures line. You can add the curly to straight silkener, or you can add a few drops of the Tangle Taming leave-in conditioner, and this will enhance the performance of the Rapid Repair Deep Conditioner. I did not do that in this video. The deep conditioner did add back the moisture to my hair, even though the shampoo was not that stripping. And it does say to sit with a plastic cap for 15 minutes under the hooded dryer. I normally sit under the hooded dryer for 20 minutes, or if I am wearing the woolly hat, I'll just walk around and do things in my house and leave that on for about 40 minutes. I'm going to put some cling film around my hair and then begin the deep conditioning process. Now, I got all my products from Pax Cosmetics, but you can go online to Amazon, eBay or beautifultextures.com. And this is the end results after washing. Now we're moving on to styling, and I'm just showing you these new hair curlers that I bought from Amazon. They are soft sponge curlers, and these are also the styling products that I'm going to be using from Beautiful Textures. So we've got the Tangle Taming leave-in conditioner, we've got the Moisture Butter Whipped Curl Cream, and we have the Curl Definer Mousse. All of them, as I said, is made with shea slash argan slash mango butter. They're all made to unlock the tangles, add deep moisturizing properties, tame the frizz and boost moisture and create versatile styles, and none of them have sulfates or parabens. So to begin, I'm just moisturizing my hair with the leave-in and the moisture butter, and I'm just putting it in large plaits so that my hair can be stretched and ready to go for styling the next day. And this is my homemade herbal oil. I will do a video on that in the near future. So this is a good way to stretch your hair first and detangle it first before styling, if you have the time. And if you don't have the time, you could always use a blow dryer or a hooded blow dryer to sit underneath for maybe up to an hour. I'm going back in and adding a bit more moisture because I felt like my hair lost some of the moisture because I didn't seal it in with an oil. And the reason why I didn't seal it in with an oil is because I'm going to use the curl definer mousse to style my hair today using these curlers that I bought from Amazon. I got 40 in a pack. Everything came up to about £15.98, and that includes shipping. And I wanted to see how these curlers would perform on short 4C hair. I also wanted a stretched look. That's why I stretched my hair with the plaits the day before. You could also do this whole process within one day. You just have to start maybe at like 7 AM in the morning, and that way you'd have enough time to stretch the hair, dry the hair, sit under the dryer if you needed to, and have the style ready for the next day. So once I took down these rollers, I didn't get any breakage of my natural hair on the rollers. Only one of the dark pink rollers had some of my hair left on it. So these rollers are actually good. They don't snag your hair and cause breakage. Also, they were very easy and comfortable to sleep in, very easy to put in and take out. So I do like these rollers. I've seen long hair YouTubers use this, and it did a great job at curling their hair as well. But with my short hair, not so much. You'll see the results at the end. It just produced like fluffy clouds, which I had to wear to work. I had to style it and make it work. But next time I'm going to come back and try doing my styling process on freshly washed hair, which is still damp, and twisting the hair first and then adding the rollers. So these are my end results. This is after 10 hours traveling to and from work, being at work, and the edge control did not hold up all that well, but the hairstyle is somewhat still intact, and this is how it looked for the day. So leave your comments down below, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.